Good morning, children. As you know, the second chapter working in Microsoft Excel is going on. Now, today we'll discuss or see how to rename a worksheet. In previous topic, we were discussed about the spreadsheet, how to insert a worksheet, how to insert a new worksheet, and now today we will see how to rename a worksheet. Let's see. Renaming a worksheet. The word rename means to replace the old name with a new one. In Action, worksheet is given a default name such as sheet 1, sheet 2, and so on. You can rename more worksheets by following. The word rename means to replace the old name with the new. As you understand the sentence, rename means replace the old name with a new one. If you have any name by default, then you can change its old name with the new name. In Action, worksheet is given a default name such as sheet 1, sheet 2, and so on. As I said, if you have an default any name like book, book, pencil, copy. Suppose book name is book 1. You can rename it book, new, book 1, book, cute, whatever. Okay, so default name is sheet 1, sheet 2, and so on, and you can change it. Whatever the name you want, you can give it by the rename option. How we rename it? Let's see. From the sheet tab, right click on the worksheet. This is a worksheet, and wherever in sheet tab, wherever you have to right click, and then you will right click on the sheet tab. There is a rename option. Worksheet you want to rename. Second step, click on the rename option from the pop-up menu. The rename of the worksheet gets selected. Type a new name for the worksheet. Again, see children, step 1, from the sheet tab, right click on the worksheet you want to rename. Click on the rename option from the pop-up menu. The name of the worksheet gets selected. Type a new name for the worksheet. All these steps you will get in your book. If you have a book, please read it and see it. The page number is 19. In page number 19, there is given a renaming a worksheet. Next, deleting a worksheet. How you will delete a worksheet? If you have a worksheet and there is some problem and there is a unuseful thing edited, there is a unuseful data which you don't want, and if you don't want that worksheet, whatever it between or side, left or right, you can delete it easily. Just follow these steps. Now what are the steps? Let's see. To delete a worksheet, follow these steps. From the sheet tab, right click on the worksheet. As you can see in the picture, delete option is here. You just have to right click on a sheet tab. When you will click on sheet tab, this type of property window will be appear, and the option you will get delete. In delete option, you have to click on the delete option for list of the selected worksheet gets deleted. Now today you have seen how to rename a worksheet and how to delete a worksheet. Children, I hope you understand the topic. Please buy a book from the shop and read the chapter carefully and read each and every step. If you want to learn the computer, want to learn the worksheet, want to learn the Excel, you have to do practical by the YouTube. You can do it, or by, if you have a laptop or computer, do the practical in a week, whatever the time you have, but do practical at least one time. Okay, now children, I hope you understand the topic.